guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Fiverr gig banner. So it's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you should do is go to the fiverr.com. Now I'm already here. And as you can see on the top, I already searched for banner. So if you scroll down here, you will see different types of banners that is already here on Fiverr. And they offer different design and different banner. So just to show you, let's open one. And here, he has the profile and the sample for his banner. And you can see there's about the gig. And yeah, and just to show you, let's go back again to the home page. And you should be on the seller profile to make your Fiverr gig banner. So how it works, you just need to create a gig, then deliver great work and get paid. So just to your profile here, and here we already have the personal info and then the professional info, and just complete what is yours. So the seller profile is all set. So to make the title, I have help here on ChatGPT and I'm gonna use this. So I searched ChatGPT, give me a gig title for Fiverr to create banner design. And you can just also copy or have some idea on this profile that also has a Fiverr gig banner. And you can create on your own. And then create the category. So let's just choose this one and then you can give the positive keywords and the tags and your tag with buzzwords that are relevant to the services you offer. So for example, banner design. So after that, you'll just need to follow the steps. So as you can see here, we're checked on the overview. Just next is the pricing, the description, requirements, gallery, and then after you finish that, all of this, you can publish it. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!